To track your WorldRemit money transfer, follow these steps. Log into your account. Access your WorldRemit account through the website or mobile app using your email and password. Go to Transaction History. Navigate to the Transaction History or Transfer section in your account. This is where all your past and current transactions are displayed. Locate the transfer. Find a specific transfer you want to track. Each transfer is listed with its unique transaction reference number. Check the status. Review the status of your transfer. Common statuses include pending, transfer is being processed, in progress, money is on its way to the recipient, completed, money has been delivered to the recipient, cancelled, the transaction has been stopped. Receive notifications. WorldRemit sends SMS or email updates on the progress of your transfer. Ensure your contact details are up to date. Contact customer support. If you have questions or the transfer takes longer than expected, contact WorldRemit's customer support with the transaction reference number for assistance.